Now that we've covered balance in our previous video, it's time to understand what equity means. Many traders get these two amounts mixed up. Remember that equity in Forex refers to your balance plus any profit or loss from open positions. But if you don't have any open positions, then your balance equals your equity.
The equity amount is displayed in the terminal window under the Trade tab on your MT4 client terminal.
If you're using the MT5 trading platform, then the equity amount is located in the toolbox under the Trade tab. So now you know the difference between balance and equity. Please like and subscribe.